Hello, welcome to my weekly forecast on the Euro US dollar. Today is June 3rd, 2018. It's 7:15 Eastern Time, so the Asian sessions are getting started for this week. So here's what I think is going to happen, or according to the analysis of what is likely to happen. On the dailies, time frame, uh, you can see that the stochastic here is going up, and it still has room to go before it would come back down over the 80 should it do that, but it looks to me like it's still going up. uh, we have a trend here that is coming down. There was a big downtrend. That's what this is showing here, the big downtrend, and then it tapered off. Then it started to trend up again when it was coming down right here, but it's going back down. It's still fairly strong at 50, but I think it's gonna come down, and you can see the negative direction is starting to come down, or the red line represents negative and the green the positive. They're starting to come down, and I think the green is going to cross. Here on the MACD, we see that we have basically bottomed out, and it has crossed, indicating a buy signal. So on the daily, I think at least for the first couple days of the week, we are going to see prices or movement upwards. So let's peek at it on the weekly time frame. I already drew the Fibonacci here, but I'll get to that in a minute. But on the weekly, the stochastic here again shows that it wants to come up. Here's as soon as this gets a little bit above the 20, crossing the signal there, that's a strong buy. You can see that in the weekly time frame, we have this trend here is going up, and that again, that was representing this downtrend. And you can see that it's starting to taper off. See how the red was going up, almost following that trend, and now it's coming down. On the MACD, you can see that it looks like it wants to hook around and come back up again, being a buy signal. So weekly, it really looks like we're going to move up, or go upward. So I would make buy trades. I would favor buy trades as opposed to sell. Now, monthly, um, let's blow that up a little bit. Monthly, we're not done going down. Euro US dollar is going to go down a lot more. You see the stochastic here, how it's come down, but it's got a lot more room to go down if it's going to go below the 20 before it dips back up. You can see this strong downtrend here. It's tapered off some. Here you see that the red line crossed the green, which is a sell, or I'm sorry, not a sell, a I always confuse myself with this. This is a indicate that the price is going to go down when it crosses there, so that would be a sell, yes. But it's very close, all right. And then MACD looks like it's going to cross, indicating a sell as well. So I guess what I'm saying, long term, Euro US dollar is not done falling, but what I think is for the daily, I think the price is going to go up, and on the week, I think it still has yet to go up as well, but I don't think it's going to go up much. So what I think is going to happen, looking at this, and here's the Fibonacci retrace from this high here, where it started to go down to as low as it's got so far, from here to here. You know, the 23% retrace is right there at I'm not sure what that beep was, is right there at 1.17. Back, figured out what that beep was. That was my laptop battery going dead, and I thought I was plugged in, but I wasn't. So sorry about that. Believe what I was saying is that this 23% here, that that is 1.1707 or something there. Really, this is what I think is going to happen this week. First of all, on a monthly basis, overall we're going down further. Euro US dollar is going to fall. I don't think it's going to fall much this week, though. I think we're going to range here from where we're at. I think we could go up, certainly up to the 1.171, and I think we may even move up to 38% retrace at 1.183 or 1.184, 1.185, somewhere in there. I don't see it getting much above that. So I just think that this week is going to be a week that ranges between this low, this new low here, and up to maybe here, if even that. I mean, I really think we're going to range in between the 0 and the 23%. So somewhere between the 1.15 to the 1.17. But I do think if I was going to say and I'm not sure if I said this or not already, but I would tend to favor trades that were buys. I think short term things indicate, the indicators to me show that the price is wanting to come up, both daily here and weekly. So I think it's going to come up, but then again, long term, we're going down. One thing I want to point out here on the weekly is that if we break this right here, which is, let's blow it up a little bit, maybe. Let's see. No, we want to do it smaller. Where's it? Here, right here. If we break, what is that? Right about right there. That's 1.145, maybe even 1.146. If we break much below that, then I think we'll go down certainly to 1.139, and then maybe even all the way down to here to 1.119. Now, I really doubt that we'll get down to 1.119 this week. I mean, it's possible. I think on a monthly basis, absolutely we'll get to there and probably even lower. But for this week, I think we're going to range up in here. If we do break below here, I think we'll probably get down to here, down to the 1.14, 1.13 range, and then if things, if some fundamental news that drives the dollar, it could take it all the way down to 1.11. So that's what I think for this week. Hope you enjoy these. If you do, please like. If you're watching them for the first time, or you've watched them before and didn't subscribe, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you next week, and we'll see how I did. Thank you very much. Bye.